Okay, so I'm going to share with you the 4 new deals that AppSumo launched this week. Now, by the way, if you are looking for quality recommended tools that you could use for your business, you'll want free access to my Notion spreadsheet of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, I update this spreadsheet on a frequent basis, so you can grab free access by clicking the link down in the description below. Late is a tool for posting to your Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and Threads using one API. What I really like is you can schedule posts for all those platforms at once instead of making separate posts everywhere. Another cool feature is you can choose to use their API, a direct upload dashboard, or connect it with tools like Zapier or N8N. And you get reports on things like uptime and number of posts delivered. Tier 1 allows you up to 120 uploads per month for 10 profiles. Now, if we were to do the math, that would mean you would be able to post 4 times every single day for a month. So personally, I think that is on the lower end, especially if you want to post for 10 profiles. Tiers 2 and higher gives you quote unquote unlimited, but it's actually 5 posts per day per social media account for tier 2, and then those limits increase for tiers 3 and 4. So not necessarily unlimited, but it's definitely much higher than tier 1. Newoldstamp is a tool for making and managing company email signatures for everyone on your team. What I really like is you can push updates to all signatures from a central dashboard whenever you need to, say for example, tweak a job title or change out banners. As you can see, there are tons of editing features like picking email templates, adding social icons, and throwing in call to action banners as well. Another cool feature is their direct sync with Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, so it fits right into your existing setup. Now, if you want the Google Workspace and Office 365 integration, you would need to stack up to 4 codes or higher. If you have a smaller team, I don't think those integrations are absolutely necessary, so I think you're fine with buying 1 or 2 codes depending on how many signatures you need. Nexter gives you 1,000 plus ready-to-use website templates, so you can pick a full site design or sections for your pages. So it's both a theme and an extension. They do have the smart optimized CSS and JavaScript loading, which means every page loads what it needs, which keeps things light and fast. There's also zero bloat and dependencies, so your site doesn't get loaded down with extra scripts you probably might never be using. They also have the inbuilt security hardening that helps your site run smoother and safer by adding things like lazy loading and image loading animations. I think tier 3 is perfect for web design agencies and consultants because you do get the option to grab the white label plugin and theme. So if you want to upsell these and or provide a plugin and theme that's under your brand, you could totally do that with license tier 3. Pitch Avatar lets you make interactive presentations and automate training or sales with talking avatars. What I really like is you can have an AI avatar answer questions, show things on your slides, and essentially talk to people 24/7. Another cool feature is their tool that translates your videos or presentations and gives them new voiceovers in tons of different languages. You can also connect it right to LinkedIn, Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot, and Salesforce, so your sales team can use it while working with customers. So as you can see, there are tons of editing features to help you customize avatars and messages for each person you want to reach. You can only create 10 videos up to 5 minutes each and get 5 avatar minutes per month for tier 1, which I think is on the lower end. So I would recommend tier 2 or 3, which gives you much better limits. This kind of reminds me of HeyGen, but I think this is much more tailored to business communication and presentations for sales and also communicating with your internal team as well.